Mohammad Hassan Jamal. I am using Siemens NX11 and Siemens NX9 for multi-axis machining. I built 3 multi-axis machines by my own and several machines for multi-axis programming from Siemens NX11 in build directory. In which Herco VTXU, it is a 4+1 AC table type machine, you can see X, Y and Z, and A configuration, it tilts 110 degree and minus 30 degree, and C is 360 to 360, but it can eligible to machine in 360, 720 and so on. Now second one is Deckelmaho, that is also AC table type full simultaneous 5-axis machine, and similarly the X motion in the head, but Y motion in the bed, and Z axis also in the head, and A is 45 degree plus and 30 degree minus, and C is 360 to 360 and can be eligible to cam in infinity to infinity. I did several parts at Herco. The controller is Fanuc, and the Deckelmaho, the controller is Siemens 840D 5-axis type, 5-axis. I also make post processor for these machines, and I also provide training at Karachi Tool Die Mold Center as a freelance trainer to their corporate customers. At their machine Spinner U1520, it has a B and C table type configuration. Also provide post processor support for their machine. You can see B type table and C. And I also conduct classes at Atlas Honda bike manufacturer. They have a attachment at their 3-axis machine. I provide 4-axis cam training, different type of sequences like normal to surface cam, engraving, roughing, finish, etc. And I use inbuilt 4th-axis machine from the Siemens NX library. Make a minor modification of sign of axis, just flip sign and retrieve this machine from library, and making cam and out GNM codes. Okay, now I'm going to show example for 4+1 axis machine. Now look at this. I want to make a chamfer on this part. This sequence of chamfer, verifier toolpath. Now look at this, it is a verification of toolpath only. Now I am going to simulate my machine on the same toolpath with the GNM code file. It's a 5-axis Herco. Next, I basically built its post processor, file path, and ball cutter, some header, T30 M06 is going to take a tool number 630, and now going to reach at that position G0, G90, X 112, Y minus 311, and A is 45, C is 74.13 degree. It is automatically compensating the position of the tool. Now look at this. How the codes are running. It is 4 plus 1. I'm removing body, and so that easily view machine. Second, DMU ATP, and also show part. It is full 5-axis machine. I'm hiding its head, and now look at this is twisted profile, and now I'm going to play a sequence. Again, I'm enabling the head, simulate. I'm simulating a machine code, play. It is basically a full 5-axis simultaneous. I use machine tool building module of Siemens NX9 for doing this type of machining. Now I'm hiding in the door, and now look at this. These are the GNM codes. It is a Cinemeric 840D controller. Now I'm hiding head again so that I can show you the part from the top. Now look at this. It is automatically compensating its A and C degree for the sake of maintaining its tendency. This simulator is basically getting the GNM codes and backplot this toolpath with the help of these codes and simulate the machine. There's a lot of options available for multi-axis programming. Variable control, normal to surface control, profile, engraving, texting, 5-axis contour profiling, Z-level contouring. Also multi-axis blade machining. Now I'm going to show 4th axis simultaneous This is basically a attachment placed on 3-axis CNC milling machine. I'm going to play its tool path. Before doing this, I have to show you what is a tool path. Now look at this. I was conduct this course for Atlas Honda bike manufacturers. Basically, they are opening a Atlas tool die mold center for manufacturing their high pressure die casting molds. So these are the efforts of my past era, and I hope for the best from your side. Basically, these are the series of operation for manufacture this part. Roughing from one direction, roughing from the another direction, and wall finish 2, wall finish 3, wall finish 4. Similarly, facing, fine surface XYZ in A direction, fine wall, back drilling, also sequence series of operation for manufacturing this tool holding device. Also this turbine blade. So these are the little reflection of my work. Thanks, regard, Muhammad Hassan Jamal.